July 2026, Indonesia has reached a decision to acquire the Astra Mk1 BVRAAMs and the BrahMos cruise missiles from India. BrahMos has already been exported to Philippines earlier, but it is a first for the Astra Mk1 missiles. It was signed during PM Modi's visit to Jakarta for a bilateral visit. The deal was earlier signed between Bharat Dynamics and Republic Corp of Indonesia, which is a defense public sector company of Indonesian government. The Astra Mk1 BVRAAM is a unique missile. It is a low-cost BVRAAM that can reach up to the speeds of Mach 4.5 and has a range of 80 to 110 kilometers. It can stretch the range to 160 kilometers under the right launch presets and profile. It has an active radar seeker, inertial guidance with data link updates, and electronic countermeasures built in for contested aerospace. The deal is important as it is the first BVRAAM export of India to any country. After the signing of this deal, we can expect countries that operates older Russian or Soviet platforms can also integrate this type of Astra missiles family into their aircraft fleets, such as Vietnam, Malaysia that operates the Su-30 MKM fighters, and also Venezuela. Indonesia currently operates roughly 16 Su-30 and Su-27 fighters, all Russian airframes. The same family Astra was built to arm in the Indian service. That's the quite logic of export of Astra that we are expecting in the future is to Armenia. Armenia was actively looking for BVRAAMs for its fighter fleet. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.